Yeah, you little boss. I can feel that tail wagging. Hi. Hi. You are just fascinated with my washing machine. I have my little mini washing machine going, and she's been like this the whole time. Yeah, it's just my washing machine, I promise. It's not gonna hurt anybody. It's not a Dalek or anything, or some evil space alien, or the president. It's just a washing machine. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Your butt is on my face. I love you too. Your butt is on my neck. Your little butt. No pipsqueak.